नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटात तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. आनीक म्हाका दिसता फाटलो आठवडो तो हो आठवडो मेरेन दुसरो खंयचोच विशय ह्या देशांत चलपाक शकना सोडून 500 आनी 1000ची नोटी ज्यो मार्केटांतल्यान रद्द जाल्यात त्यो. आनीक आमी फाटले सारके ज्या दिसाक डिसिजन घेतलें ताचे दुसऱ्याच दीस डिबेट केल्ली सो दॅट परिस्थिती आनी एकूण जे एक चित्र आहा तें गोंयकारां मुखार स्पश्ट जावचें म्हण. आज आमी परत त्या विशयाचेर डिबेट करतात कारण एक आठवडो जाला आनी कितें चुको जाल्यो, कितें बरें जालें, कितें वायट जालें आनी फुडली जे 10-15 दीस जे आसात तातूंत भितर कितें परिस्थिती गोंयकारांचेर येवपाक शकता हाजो आढावो घेवपाचो आनी त्या दृश्टींतल्यान म्हाका दिसता शारिरीक आनी मानसीक तयारी करपाची ह्या सगळी दृश्टींतल्यान हें डिबेट म्हत्वाचें. 3 मानेस्त आसा म्हजे बरोबर जे ही सगळी वेवस्था आनी परिणाम तुमकां विस्कटोवन सांगतले. पयलीं आसात ते म्हळ्यार नामनेचे चार्टर्ड अकावंटंट संतोषबाब केकरे, स्वागत तुमचें. दुसरे आसात म्हजे बरोबर गोवा युनिवर्सिटीच्या मॅनेजमेंट विभागाचे प्रोफेसर निलेश बोर्डे, स्वागत. आणि तिसरे आसात आमच्या तुमच्या जिणेंतले सगळ्यांत म्हत्वाचे घटक ते म्हळ्यार किरीटभाई मगनलाल जे आसात आनी जे सध्या क्रेडीट कार्ड घेतात म्हणून खूब जाणांचे संवसार बरे चल्ल्यात. सो किरीटभाई आय विल स्टार्ट विथ यू. वॉट एज तुमी फाटल्याय डिबेटां आशिल्ले, तुमी ह्याय डिबेटांक आसात. वॉट हॅज बीन द डिफरन्स आनी कितें परिस्थिती भितर फरक पडला, सुदारल्या आनी वायट जाल्या, तुमी कशें पळयतात?
डिफरन्स आता आमचो आउटलूक जेच आमी मेळ्ळे पयले दिसा जेन्ना मेळ्ळे आमी तेन्ना इट वॉज ऑल व्हेरी फ्रेश. आमी सगळे पॉझिटिव्ह आशिल्ले. गूड डिसिजन टेकन बाय द गव्हर्मेंट, व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग सर्जिकल ऑपरेशन सगळें म्हणलें आमी तेन्ना. 7 days डावन द लायन आय एम रियली नॉट व्हेरी शुअर जे आमी प्लॅन केल्ले, जशें प्लॅन केल्ले आशिल्ले ते जालां की ना एज पर प्लॅन. आय एम एब्सोल्युटली डाउटफूल. Forget us, the whole community is doubtful. There is nothing or nobody who can give any sort of clarity. Neither the government can give a clarity, nor the opposition can give any form of a clarity on what they plan. Roll back jai tanka, reform jai tanka, kine jai. Nobody is certain about it. Reserve Bank is not certain whether ATMs can be back on track in time. People are completely confused. The government is saying it is like तुम्ही ऑपरेशन केला आणि पेशंटाक सोडलो थंय टेबलाचेरूच आणि म्हणला 7 दिसा मागीर येता हांव. 7 दीस जाले ताच्या मागीर तुम्ही म्हणटा 50 दिसा तुम्ही तशेंच रावात, मागीर आय विल गिव यू अ न्यू लायफ. सो दिस टायप ऑफ कन्फ्युजन इज प्रिवेलिंग अँड टुडे आय डोंट थिंक इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी पॉझिटिव्ह मेसेज दॅट इज गोईंग आउट. कस्टमर आमच्या फ्रॉम आवर सायड एज अ रिटेलर आमचे पयलीं 65% कॅश ट्रान्झॅक्शन आसताले आनी दुसरे क्रेडीट कार्ड बाकीचे ते सोडेक सगळे करताले आमी. आज पळोवंक गेल्यार ओन्ली 15% इज कॅश. सो पीपल हॅव मायग्रेटेड. It is okay for people to migrate for our type of stores.
Correct.
But for the lower class of community, it's absolutely difficult, impossible. Today, our whole economy is based on cash. But there are so many million trucks lying on the road. Food is not reaching. Farmers are suffering. आमचे ते वेजिटेबल वेंडर जे आसा ते वेजिटेबल सप्लाय करूंक शकना आमकां. आमच्या भायर जो वेजिटेबल वेंडर आसा तो 2 दीस म्हणटा तो 1 पैसो धंदो जावना तेजे कडेन. टील द टायम आमी कस्टमराक सांगले की बाबा तुम्ही आमचे कडेन यात, क्रेडिट कार्ड स्वायप करात आनी ताजे कडल्यान भाजी घेयात तुम्ही. कळ्ळें? सो आमी मॅनेज केला. पयलीं थोडे दीस इट वॉज अ स्लंप अँड नॉट ओन्ली मी, इट हॅपन अक्रॉस. दे से बिग बाजार सफर्ड बाय 60 to 70% ऑन द फर्स्ट 2 days. बट नाव इट्स ऑल बॅलन्स आउट.
संतोषबाब कितें दिसांनी ते बरें एग्जाम्पल दिलें की ऑपरेशन केलें पूण पोस्ट ऑफ सर्विसीसा खातीर मातसो राव अशें चल्लां. And there have been many confusions. तुम्ही कशें पळयतात? It was everybody said that it's a good brave decision, but the implementation is facing some real big problems.
See, when you are having a very serious disease, the remedies and the operations and the treatment is very difficult. Now, such an operation had never taken place in the history of the country. So, when you are changing the country, you are giving birth to a new country altogether. Lot of difficulties are bound to be faced. Now, some of the precautions they could have taken, like printing much more 500 rupee notes. Yes, but in hindsight, आमकां म्हणूंक सोंपें तें. फुडें जेन्ना प्लॅनिंग करता न्ही तेन्ना इट वॉज व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट. आनी म्हाका दिसता रफली कंपेर्ड टू 10 दीस पयलीं थिंग्स आर मच बेटर टुडे. पीपल आर टर्निंग टुवर्ड्स डेबिट कार्ड्स. थोडे बारीक बारीक वेंडर्स आसता पाव भाजी तांणी डेबिट कार्डां घाल्या. सो लोकांची संवय बदलता. सो कॅश इकॉनॉमी इज कमिंग डावन लायक किरीट बाबान म्हणलें तें. आनी प्लास्टीक कार्ड इज कमिंग अप. Which helps the country in all the ways. You get more taxes, more jobs. आता roughly up to 30th of this month, November, I think ultapalach जातली. But things will settle down. They have to settle down. Barring a few points, law and order problem खंयच येवना. Barring a few points. Everything is going on rather smoothly. Barring some perishable items आसा न्ही भाज्यो बी त्यो वाट लागूंक शकता. Otherwise things are much in control. So I don't see reason to be skeptical about it. I would rather be positive about it.
Okay, you're still looking at it positively.
Yes, yes, yes.
Nilesh, from the management point of view, finance point of view, किती फायदे आहेत, तोटे आहेत, कसे पळयता?
Pramod, I would probably like take an academic viewpoint on this. I think 1 week back you probably must have already debated this. So actually, reinventing a wheel is not my objective. But I think there is a concept of theory and there is a concept of practice. Demonetization by theory has already been told. It is basically making the currency invalid. I have a very strong feeling in this that demonetization in real sense of the term has actually not happened in terms of concept. For the simple reason that you withdraw 500 rupee note and you have withdrawn 1000 rupee note, but you are reintroducing them again. So it's basically, in my opinion, though there has been a gap of some few days before the new currency has been this. So I think there is no demonetization that has happened at all. I think it's just a reintroduction of this. And I think for any strategic decision like demonetization and things like that, I think you've got to look at it more from a long-term perspective, because these are last resource. Like everybody was talking, if it is cancer, then you've got to look at operation only when it is established that it is a cancer. So it is a big major decision that had to be taken, which had to have a long-term ramification. I also would like to say that demonetization has happened twice before, not just, this is not the first time.
Correct.
So if you look at it from a long-term perspective, I think I would go with Kirit Bhai, who says it's a confusion all through. But if I look at it more from a short-term perspective, I have looked at it from economic, administrative and philosophical angles. He says that there has not been a law and order problem. I think I give a lot of credit to the Honorable Prime Minister for this, because of the way he has packaged this product and he has really beautifully put it across.
And the communication.
Absolutely. The way he has communicated, that's why I said the whole marketing technique of this government has been awesome, extraordinary and really out of this world. They have given people a feeling that, they are doing this for the country. What a soldier does on a border, they are doing it by remaining in a city. When they give that kind of a feeling, you can't have a law and order problem, because I cannot fight. Why am I doing this? Because it is basically told to you that you're doing it for your country. I have actually taken it point by point, so I'm not too sure how do you want to tackle it. If you want me to take all of them together at this point in time, or how?
No, we can tackle them one by one.
One by one. So I would first take the economic perspective, because that is how it is. Like I said, I'm dividing the impact on more short-term and a long-term kind of a basis. First is, the basic thing is like what Kirit Bhai talks about, demand. I think there is huge demand in the economy, there is no doubt about it, but can't be translated into actual purchases because people have a problem with currency. So in short term, I think the demand is a bad news. In long term, one doesn't know at the moment, but I have a feeling that India is a growing economy, so demand will pick up as soon as this issue is put in place. The other problem that people had a problem with is the rising prices, inflation. And I have a very strong opinion on this, and that is in short term, the inflation is really going to come down very, very badly, which is a good sign for general public. Again, as I said, long-term perspective, I'm not sure, we are all in a confused state of mind. There's going to be a big supply in the banks. So there probably is a good news coming in maybe in a couple of weeks or maybe even a month's time to people, where there is a possibility that the interest rates would come down because the banks are going to be filled with cash and they would have to service. This cash is not capital. This cash is basically a liability to a bank which they have to service.
Correct.
So obviously to service that, they will have to give out more loans, which is a possibility that there's a possibility that the interest rates will come down. So therefore, even on interest rate front, I think on a short-term basis, it's a good news. Long term, again, as I said, it's for all of us to wait and watch. As far as the GDP growth rate is concerned, I think it's a bad news, because the demand in the near short term future is going to come down. So you might probably just see for a quarter ending December, the GDP growth coming down a bit. For tax collections, I think it's going to be an awesome news. Government is going to have a lot of coffers filled with it very, very soon. Now I come to a major issue. I think these are the two basic objectives because of which government actually brought out this drastic step. And one is corruption, which is basically black money. And second was counterfeiting of notes. I think corruption, in my opinion, in a very short term is a fantastic news, because he's really choking up all the everybody. But here in long term, I think it's a bad news. I have a very strong feeling that corruption is a very behavioral kind of a system, and corruption can't be wiped out from the society unless people change. So corruption is something that will not go out of society. But corruption will have to be looked at in two ways. One is the attitude, and second is the vehicles of corruption. Vehicles of corruption, one of the major thing is cash. Unless you reduce the high denomination currencies from the market, corruption cannot be reduced.
ओके नाव this is a very interesting point. किरीटभाई हाय डिनोमिनेशनाचो जो प्रश्न आसा तो म्हळ्यार फाल्यां तुमकांय परिस्थिती आसतली की आज आमचे कडेन बाजाराक 2000ची नोट आसा पूण आमचे कडेन 500ची नोट अजून ना आनी एक ATM मशीन सद्याक जाय तशी रिकॅलिब्रेट जालें ना सो 100ची नोट डिस्पर्स करतात सो रायट नाव वी आर बॅटलिंग विथ ओनली टू डिनोमिनेशन दॅट इज 100 एंड देन स्ट्रेट 2000. How big is that error in terms of market economy? And secondly, what Nilesh is saying, in the long term, unless you get rid of high denominations, you cannot actually achieve the objective of curbing corruption and black money. How would you look at it?
प्रायमरीली इट्स व्हेरी सिंपल. तुम्ही जेन्ना 2000 नोटी इंट्रोड्यूस केल्या मार्केटान, वॉट वॉज द लॉजिक बिहायंड 2000 रुपी नोट? आज तुम्ही 2000 नोटी तुम्ही मार्केटान घातल्या, it has brought in extra discomfort and a lot of hassles for the common man. कित्याक तुमचे कडेन एक्सचेंज करूंक जायना न्ही ती. 2000 नोटी तुम्ही हाडल्या मार्केटान, तुमचे ATM चलना. आतां फ्रॉम द न्यूज दॅट आय हॅव, दे वील टेक अ मिनिमम ऑफ 1 month टू recalibrate the ATMs. We were talking yesterday to one of the very senior officers from people who are manufacturing ATMs. तो म्हणटा for recalibrating of ATMs, they have to develop completely different algorithms. The whole infrastructure has to change. काल तो म्हणटालो फक्त अल्गोरिथम डेव्हलप करपाक आणि रिकॅलिब्रेट करपाक तांकां 24 ते 26,000 नोटी जाय 2000ची फॉर डुईंग दी टेस्ट. आज 24,000 रुपयाच काडूंक मेळना बँकेन, ऑर यू मायट जस्ट बी बॅरली एबल टू टेक. तेंच्यांनी जेन्ना SBI कडेन गेले ते म्हणटा आमच्या हातीन काय ना, तुम्ही रिझर्व्ह बँके कडेन वतात. रिझर्व्ह बँके कडेन गेले, रिझर्व्ह बँक सेज दॅट वी वील कन्सिडर अँड वील सी हाऊ वी कॅन गिव्ह दीस कायंड ऑफ थिंग. सो 2000 नोटीची म्हाका लॉजिकूच कळना. 500ची जर काडिल्ली तुम्ही, इट वॉज मच बेटर. मार्केटान तुम्ही जर एक कंप्लीट न्यू रेंज ऑफ 500 रुपयाची नोट काढली आणि म्हणले की द ओल्ड नोट विल स्लोली बी फेज्ड आउट, that would have been a much better, in my opinion, much more simpler solution for the people to bear and tolerate and live their lives, you know. So that is one issue. दुसरो इशू तुम्ही जो काडिल्लो, निलेशान काडलो तो रिगार्डिंग करप्शन एंड रिगार्डिंग ब्लॅक
That in the long term, this is not a solution.
just not a solution. You cannot wipe out corruption. It is your original sin. You are born with that sin. You cannot wipe it out. However much you confess, you cannot do it. So tackling corruption, what this has helped is, like last time आम्ही उलयले ते, it has actually weeded out the gains that have been made, the ill gains that have been made earlier by
So
corruption.
this will only act as a deterrent,
Deterrent.
nothing more than
That
that.
too for a short term.
That too for a
Short term.
Okay.
See, but even just as far as black money also is concerned, no, the black economy today, they say, is almost more than 30 lakh crores. Today the currency going around is 17 or 18 lakh crores. The black economy is annually generating this much amount of money. So how are you going to control? The basic premise of coming out with demonetization was to stop corruption, eliminate black money, remove fake currency. Fake currency आता म्हणटा न्ही, the other day there was a news item की total fake currency that has been estimated by this Institute of Statistical Sciences or something in Calcutta, the most reputed, ते म्हणटा 400 crores is the fake currency that is in the market today. बरें, तुमकां नवी नोट प्रिंट करपाकूच 12,000 कोटी पडटा. Does it make any logical sense to be spending and flushing down 12,000 crores to eliminate 400 crores of fake currency? So I don't see any logic unless तुम्ही जर प्लॅन करून सारखे इम्प्लिमेंटेशन केल्लें आसा wherein the local man is not compromised or inconvenienced. I don't see a logic.
Then it works.
Then it works.
Very valid question. कारण की उद्देश बरो आसतलो बट ऑन ग्राउंड जे एक थॉट दिवपा जाय आशिल्लो इम्प्लिमेंटेशना खातीर तो जाय तितलो पयलो जालना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टू स्मॉल इश्यूज, एक 500 रुपयाची नोट पयली इंट्रोड्यूस करप, कारण 100 रुपया आमच्या मार्केटां भितर कमीच आशिल्ले. पयलीं ते पंपीन जावपाक जाय आनी मागीर ताजें मुखाल्लें डिनोमिनेशन येवपाक जाय. आनी दुसरो जो मुद्दो आहा तो किरीटबाईन आतां सांगलो, हाव आर यू लुकिंग एट बोथ दिस?
सी 500 रुपयाची नोटी शूड हॅव बीन मेड अवेलेबल, नो डाऊट. कळ्ळें न्ही, बिकॉज 100 रुपया आनी 2000 रुपया हातूंत खूब फरक आसा. जंय 2000 रुपया तुका नोट चलता थंय कार्ड चलता. सो 1000 रुपया वर्च्युअली बिकम्स युजलेस. 500 रुपया शूड हॅव बीन मच मोर. But I don't agree with him that it will not reduce corruption. He looking at it only from demonetization point of view. ताजे खूब उद्देश आशिल्ले, लायक टेररिस्ट्स, नक्सल्स, आनी हांचे कडेन जी ब्लॅक करन्सी आसा ती सोंपोवन as you rightly know, that Naxalak ताणें सामकें corner केल्या. Terrorists are completely helpless. So that was a huge objective achieved by him. Number two, corruption he is not tackling only with demonetization. First he came up with IDS, black money declaration scheme. Now he has come with demonetization. Next he is coming with Benami properties. तुवें declare करपाचें, जी property declare करना ती governmentaची. Lastly he is coming with GST. He is going armed with all these 4 weapons. We are looking at it only one in a very narrow-minded way. That's not correct. You have to see holistically. With all these things, he's cleansing up. आता हे तुका डिमॉनिटायज केल्ल्यान इलेक्शनचेर इमिडिएट परिणाम पडटलो. हाजे पयलीं कितें आशिल्लें, यू पे द मनी, विन द वोट. ताजी ताकद ऑलमोस्ट हाफ जाली आसतली. एज अ पॉलिटिकल ऑब्जर्वर यू नो बेटर देन मी. सो ही इज क्लिनिंग अप द इलेक्टोरल पॉलिटिक्स. He's आता जॉब्स जाय आमकां जॉब्स म्हणटा. Black economy, how many jobs it can create? All the money has to come in a white economy. You have to build up the jobs. Taxes. Only when a taxes come, you can build the roads. You can't build the roads and bridges with black money. So he's eliminating that, cleaning up the entire thing. Before you restart, you have to clean up. He has done that with 4 weapons, which I know personally. There could be more. He said, in the speech he said, don't think I will not come with anything more. So the message is very simple. If you're honest, I will not touch you.
So the point is, there can be some tactical errors, there can be some practical implementable errors, but then the end motive is so broad-minded and so holistic that if there is a hardship for a month, then that's quite
No,
justifiable.
Pramod, I'm not trying to question the motive. I'm not trying to question the intention, nor am I trying to question the intent of either the Honorable Prime Minister or the government. I think it is very pious and it's on track. My only worry is that it's a problem about long term. I mean, I would not really agree because it's like this. I'll give you a simple example. I've got a 3rd standard daughter of mine who plays in a hall. And then she is told that, okay, there are guests going to come in the house, please clean up the hall. The hall is cleaned. The guests come, the guests go. As soon as the guests are gone, the hall is dirty again. I'm worried about that kind of a syndrome happening in the economy. Right now, you have cleaned it. And that's why I said, in short term, fantastic. You have choked up terrorists, you have choked up Nakshals. Welcome. We want that to happen in India. I'm only saying that he should have just stopped at demonetizing. He should not have got into reintroduction. I'm only trying to
So
say
your
that.
point is he should have demonetized and
stop.
only pump in 100 rupee
Bas,
votes.
that's it.
Only pump
that's
in
it
100
because
rupee
that
votes.
would have taken care of Nakshals and terrorists for life. But now he has not done that. The whole problem is, I agree, there is going to be a cleansing that's going to happen. But if even when it comes to counterfeiting, printing notes is not rocket science. Anybody tomorrow, I mean, it will just hardly take 2 months for those guys to come on and get in and counterfeit the existing notes. So this process is going to keep happening. Once you bring down the high denomination currency and make the denomination of currency very small. I mean, I'm saying this, I have got data that shows in a place like United States of America and Europe, the highest bill is 100. In China, the highest is 100 yuan. Why do you need a 500, 2000 rupee or 1000 rupee denomination in a country like India? I am excited only what the Prime Minister has done. I'm a little worried about what he has done next, and that is re-brought in those currencies.
आता सुद्धा अजून
हात
पर्यंत
करता
हय.
की तो म्हणटा की 100च्यो नोटी इनफ.
हय. अजून
समज
पर्यंत-
कोणाक 10,000 रुपया दिवपा जाय, ताका 100चे बंडल दिवपाचे. यू नीड 500 रुपी नोट्स नो एटलीस्ट.
But what is the use? I mean, why can't you give 10,000 by cash?
No,
in
suppose you
100
have to pay.
rupee notes?
You cannot give a bundle of 100 rupees for just to pay 10,000.
Okay, so this is a very interesting point. It is the ease of doing business. And you are the right person to do it. When you have a higher denomination, there is ease of doing
Pramod,
business.
sorry to interrupt
Although,
you.
yeah.
Pramod, sorry to interrupt you. If I'm ready to take a hardship for a month because
Yeah.
I want to cleanse the system,
Yeah.
I see no reason why I cannot take a hardship of carrying a 10,000 rupee 100 denomination bundle to pay somebody.
Okay. Now that's a very pious argument. How do you look at it? That ease of doing business with a high denomination. Is it really the truth or fiction?
As long as people follow what they say today. आता निलेशान म्हणलें न्ही, आय एम विलिंग टू टेक अ हार्डशिप फॉर 1 month. It's still very new. It's just 1 week. And we are still very enthusiastic and charged. Wait for another 1 week and let us sit down here again to discuss whether the same people who stood in the queue for hours at end and went back home from ATMs and then came back, whether they'll say the same words again, that I don't mind, I'll come again
When
month
you
on
actually
month,
face
week
the
on week.
hardships.
My job here is, I'm not looking at economy, I'm not looking at terrorism, I'm not looking at black money. I'm looking at what the people on the street today are feeling. how can I feed those people who come to my store or who come to any other store over there for their daily livelihood? This is my concern. So तुम्ही कितें म्हणत म्हाका न्ही की तूं 50 दिसा मागीर तुका हें दिता, 7 दिसा मागीर हें करता, तुका 500ची 1000ची 2000ची नोट दिता. It doesn't concern the common man. And how long is that common man going to suffer and bear this when he knows at तुमचे कडेन एक क्लियर प्लॅन आसा की एक 7 दिसान आमी हें करता, 10 दिसान हें करता, 15 दिसान हें करता. The man will say, I will take that courage and I will bear
You
it.
have a concrete plan.
तुमचे कडेच प्लॅन ना न्ही. The government has no plan. They have got no clarity. ATM तुमकां कॅलिब्रेट करचे आशिल्ले जाल्यार पयलीं कित्याक करूं ना तुमी? देर इज नो लॉस ऑफ सिक्रेसी टू कॅलिब्रेट ATMs. ओके, तुमी ती एक ड्रायव्ह दाखोवंक ना, प्लॅन दाखोवंक ना तुमी. आतां ओपोजिशन म्हणटा आमी ओपोजिशन कॅन मेक द गव्हर्मेंट सिट अप अँड रिथिंक. Opposition themselves are divided.
They don't know what to ask for.
They don't know what to ask for, whether they want a rollback, whether they want a reform, whether they want Akhilesh Yadav says that introduce black currency again
To
into the
support what
market.
he's saying, to support. Now he's a very organized retailer where cards also work. तो जर म्हणटा लोकांक त्रास जाता जाल्यार भुसारी दुकानांनी धाडटा त्या दुकानी
imagine
प्रचंड
what
त्रास जातले.
So,
But second part, I
go
don't
ahead.
agree. तो plan ना म्हणटा तो. If you have seen today's paper, every 2 hours they are monitoring the situation.
No, there is
Every
monitoring,
different.
but every
they're
morning
planning.
they are issuing new circulars depending upon the review of previous day.
Absolutely.
Which is good.
Absolutely.
Which is good, but you ultimately need to have a basic structural plan in place
No.
when you are dealing with an economy and a GDP like ours.
नाही येदे व्हडलें ऑपरेशन जेन्ना करता येदे व्हडलें ऑपरेशन कळ्ळें न्ही तेन्ना यू हॅव टू गो बाय स्टेजीस. He must be having a plan, but he is modifying the plan according to the situation.
Okay.
That's very
So
important.
you are saying this is more of an adaptability rather than
Absolutely.
lack of planning.
Absolutely.
Okay. Nilesh, adaptability, not lack of planning.
I mean, I'm not too sure. I wish to agree to him, frankly. I want to agree with him, and I wish I can agree with him. But my mind somehow kind of get in tune with what he's saying, because it doesn't look like. Because if you want to get up and tell me that every new day there is a new circular and that's going to be basically because I have seen the hardship of the previous day, that's not really true. Because till now you had it at 4,000. Now you made it to 4,500. Today there is a circular from RBI that says that from tomorrow onwards exchange can be only 2,000. I go to exchange for 2,000. He gives me a 2,000 rupee note first of all, and I come out of it. What do I do with it? Effectively speaking, you are actually killing the man hours and making people just stand in queues
So
to
this
get
is very
these things.
interesting. You could have reduced the limit to 2,000 if your ATMs were fully functional, running to optimum capability. Right now, your ATMs are not running at optimum capability, and you are reducing the rate of exchange. Don't you think these are the things that the Babu in Delhi needs to consider very seriously?
ना पळय बँकेन ताण लिमीट वाडयलां विड्रॉ करपाचें.
हय.
म्हज्या नेक्स्ट डोर बँक आसा. आय एम रियली मॉनिटरींग द क्यू कळ्ळें न्ही. इट इज कमिंग डावन. Gradually it's coming down.
That has
Number two.
nothing to do with the-
Number two.
the efficiency of
Queue
the bank.
लोक आसा पळय न्ही, it's not necessary की तांकां आज पयशे जाय. A fear mongering. ना पयशे आसचे ना, so better withdraw today. So people are waiting in the queue again and again. घरा कोणी बेकार आसा रावले लायनी, which again increase the queue unreasonably.
This is it is rather than
हेतूनच फक्त एक डायकोटॉमी परत हाडून दाखयत तुमकां. See, the point is you getting up and saying that you can exchange maximum up to 4,000 in a day, right? But if I have those notes and I have an account in a bank, I can actually put in there and withdraw 10,000. Right now, the problem is the
Correct.
ATMs don't have money.
Correct.
But the whole issue is again there is a confusion in the mind of people. For an exchange, it is 4,000. For a withdrawal, it is 10,000. For a week withdrawal, it is 24,000. So can I withdraw 24,000 in 2 days and finish it off for a week? How does it go?
Yes.
No, some banks don't allow that to happen.
Yeah, some banks say that you have withdrawn just yesterday.
You have just withdrawn
wait for
yesterday.
3-4
Don't
days.
wait for 3-4
Okay.
days.
How do you look at this? तुम्ही म्हळ्या की it is not nothing to do with the efficiency of the bank म्हणून. Queues getting shorter. How do you look at it?
Obviously, queues are not going to keep on. तुम्ही आज गेले ATM समोर, एक दीस रावले काय मेळना तुमकां, दुसरे दीस रावले काय मेळना तुमकां. Are you going to come back the third day and do the same thing again? Reduction of queues in front of ATMs has got nothing to do with the efficiency of dispersal. म्हणजे पैसे भायर सरता मेळटा, customers are going happy. That has nothing got to do. माझो point एकूच आसा हांगा. 95% of the economy of India is a cash economy. Ours is a 100%, almost 100% cash economy. In such a situation, the first thought should have come is, how do I tackle this issue about the cash that has to roll in the hands of the people?
Recashing the economy.
Recashing. ते पयलीं पळयात न्ही. मागीर तुमी करप्शन आनी ती व्हडली फंडां आसा ती तुमी मागीर पळयात.
So I agree with him.
You have to see this. आता दुसरें की हे जे कार्ड आणि वॉलेट पेमेंटवाले आसा आज की काल पेटीएमान अनाउन्स केला वी डीड 25 मिलियन ट्रान्झॅक्शन इन 6 days. Okay, what does it say? It says nothing to us. Imagine only less than 10% of the total merchant community in India has today got access to POS. POS म्हणजे POS enabled devices. What happens to the other 90% of people who don't know ATMs, who don't know cards, who don't know swipe cards and all that? What is happening to that economy? So we started this by saying that my cash has come down to 15% and balance 85% has become credit card, and I'm very happy and proud about it. I should not be proud. It makes no sense. It doesn't bring any justice to our discussions today. Today our discussions is on that common man. की तो बाबडो कितें करता तें ताजे कडेन कार्ड ना हे ना तें ना ओके टुमॉरो ही विल मायग्रेट ही विल गेट इनटू तें जर पळोवंक गेलें न्ही प्रमोद यू हॅव टू सी अनदर व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट एस्पेक्ट 50% of India's population is in the non-banking sector. म्हणजे there are no banks available there.
Correct.
Less than 20% are having no electricity. Internet penetration is only 25% in India. So how can you expect India, there is no infrastructure actually to get into a cashless economy.
Correct.
हे सगळें तुम्ही पयलीं पळोवंक जाय न्ही बिफोर यू डिसायड टू गेट इनटू ऑल दीस. आय एम नॉट सेयिंग इट्स अ बॅड मूव. The move is good, but it is ill-timed. It should have been planned correctly for the common man, not for people like us.
Last, what is your suggestion to the government now? Two suggestions where these things will ease out right now.
Immediate disbursal of the 500 rupee notes on top priority. कारण 100 rupees and 2000 मध्ये फरक खूप असा. So 500 is a must, and even 100 rupee notes immediate dispersal in the bank branches as well as through ATMs. This is very important because as he rightly said, मार्केटान पयशे घोळोवंक जाय. सगळ्यांच चॅकान आनी कार्डांनी जायना. ते कॅश जाय पडटा, सगळ्यांक जाय पडटा. ते कॅश रोखडे अवेलेबल जावंक जाय latest in 1 more week.
Latest is 1 more. You are saying after that the patience of the country will run out.
Come down.
Okay. Nilesh, he is giving 1 more week or the patience of the nation will run out. Two suggestions to the government that needs to be done within next 48 hours.
No problem. I don't know if I'm a right person to give you that suggestion. I think I'm more of an academician who would want to give a different suggestion to the government. I would get up and say, put your infrastructure in place. That's the first thing.
No time for that.
No time for that.
There's no time for
That's
that.
what I said. I'm not a person who can give you a 48-hour solution. Apart from, I would only agree with both of them. Right now, you have got a pain in your head. Just give a painkiller and at least get the pain down. I mean, I can only talk about that. But I'm saying if there is a problem which has to be sorted out, then it has to be looked at as a complete proper treatment. And that treatment would be, I mean, again, as I said, mine is 48-hour solution, I would agree with them. But from a country's perspective, I would say put your infrastructure in place very quickly, like the way he is talking about, including internet and iBanking. Get rid of the high denomination notes from the country. Just keep it at 50, 10 and 100. And I'm telling you, this country would prosper like
Okay.
no one else.
हांव इतल्या आमकां म्हाका दिसता फाटल्या आठवड्याक जितली बरे तरेन जालें ताज्याकी चड बरे तरेन विश्लेशण आज जालां कारण प्रत्येकाक सिच्युएशनाची ग्रीप आयल्या. दोन म्हत्वाची गजाली म्हाका दिसता सगळीं जाण एग्री जातात हांगा. पयलीं म्हळ्यार लोकांच्या हातांत 500 रुपयांची नोट आतां येवपाक जाय. जो मेरेन ती येना तो मेरेन एक्चुअल मार्केटाक वचून भाजी आनी नुस्तें घेवप सुद्दां कुस्तार जातलें. आनी दुसरी गजाली ATM सद्या फुली फंक्शनल जावपाची 100 आनी 500 रुपीज नोट्स ATMांतल्यान येवपाक लागपा जाय. जो मेरेन तें जायना तो मेरेन हो क्रंच उरतलो. आनी संतोष बाबा सारके मनशान म्हळां की मॅक्झिमम आनी एक वीक पासियेस काडप शक्य जातलें ताजे उपरांत बरेंच कुस्तार जातलें म्हणून. सो सरकारा कडेनूय भावना पावची इतलेंच मागता तुमी आयले इतली बरे तरेन सगळी गजाली एक्सप्लेन केल्यो. परत फाटली डिबेटा उपरांत खूब रिस्पॉन्स आयिल्लो. ह्याय डिबेटा उपरांत खूब रिस्पॉन्स येतलो. थँक्स अ लॉट. पळयत रावात स्टुडंट. नमस्कार.